Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira to GitHub. First thing you have to do will be to log into your Jira account into their website. And in here, I already have a workspace ready for you. If you're new to Jira, don't worry, they will make the workspace for you when you just made a fresh new account. This Kanban you see here is the result of that fresh account made. Now hover your mouse over your workspace and click onto these three dots right here at the side and pick Space Settings. Right down below here, click Tool Chain. And just scroll down a little bit downward and you'll find GitHub. Click Install. Choose the correct site that you want GitHub to integrate with. Once done, click Review. And if you're satisfied with the permissions and data management of this extension, then click Get It Now. And it'll automatically install it into the workspace. And that's how to connect Jira to GitHub.